Hello everyone, welcome back to another session by SSB Crack Exams. Myself Drishti Goyal, and in this particular session we will be discussing 10 ways to improve strength for your GTO task in SSB. तो अगर आप लोग ऑलरेडी SSB के बारे में जानते हो तो आपको पता होगा कि SSB में स्टेज 2 में आपसे 3 डिफरेंट टास्क कराए जाएंगे विच इज साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू एंड GTO, दैट इज ग्रुप टास्क. So here in group tasks, there are 9 tasks, out of which some are your indoor tasks and some are your outdoor tasks. So for some of your outdoor tasks, you require a great amount of strength as well. Here in this particular session, I'll be discussing about your routine or the changes you can make in your routine which will help you build up strength. Okay. So before that, we can talk about the group task. As I've already told you, this task is done under your stage 2 and it is supervised by your group testing officer, or we can say GTO. So there are total 9 tasks and GTO days are fixed for group activities to assess the actions of the candidates. So generally क्या होता है, out of 5 days, 2 days are fixed for your GTO and that too you are informed beforehand. ओके आपको बता दिया जाएगा कि कब आपका GTO होने वाला है, right? The task here also depends on the performance of mind linked with the body. So it is not only your physical strength but your mental capabilities will also be very much necessary while you will be attempting all the GTO tasks. Candidates get a chance to perform in groups only during the GTO task. See, interview is your personal thing. This is your individual task. Psych test is also individual task. So out of all the tasks which you will be performing in your SSB, only GTO or the group tasks are the tasks which you will be performing in group. And in this series of 9 tasks also, there are some tasks which you will be performing individually. Okay. So here in this particular session, let us move on to the tips which you can follow to increase your strength for your GTO task. Okay. So here in your GTO, there are different tasks like your PGT or your progressive group task, your half group task, your command task. Okay, you are also be dealing with the helping material, that is your load or your plank and your rope and your bully. So you need to be able to carry them very efficiently as well. Okay, they are actually little bit heavier in weight. So you need to have your muscle strength for that as well. So in this session, we will discuss regarding all the things which you can do before your GTO task or for preparing for your GTO task and performing best in it. So first one is simple stretching and warm-up exercises should be done. So while you are starting preparing for your SSBs or your group task whatsoever, you should start with the warm-up exercises and that you should do on daily basis. So candidates need to remain on the ground for a continuous period of 2 to 4 hours during GTO days. So to increase the endurance, they should do stretching and warming up exercise every morning. Start your morning routine at least 2 to 3 months prior to your SSB interview. ऐसा मत सोचना कि SSB आ रहा है तो आप हफ्ते पहले प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट करोगे. No, make a physical regime at least 2 to 3 months prior to your SSB dates. Okay, choose a sport of your choice. See, if you are a sports person, that is very good and you are having added advantage, okay, because it will help you build up your group qualities or group dynamics as well as it will keep you fit. And if you are not playing any game, you can now choose any game and play, right? So take up any sport and make it a habit if you want to join the Indian Defence Forces, such as hockey, cricket, volleyball, or any group game you can choose. You can also go for individual games, but definitely group sports are better than the individual sports as per your SSB or defense forces are concerned. Okay. Now your next is add running to your daily routine. See, running is considered to be a very good exercise which does not require any equipment or anything for you to do, and that you can easily do by yourself. Okay. So running is a straightforward and highly recommended activity to maintain their physical fitness. Even during training time, gentlemen cadets engage in morning BPET, or we can say battle physical efficiency test. See, generally क्या होता है ना, in your academies as well, you are not allowed to walk. There's a culture of running, so you have to always run where you are commuting from one place to other, and that same thing is also expected to you during your GTO task. So while you are performing any task, they expect you to run to save time. Okay, so it's better that you incorporate this habit of running in your schedule beforehand, which will give you an upper edge during that particular test. Now maintain regularity. See, regularity is very important, क्योंकि अगर आप एक दिन कर रहे हो रनिंग, 2 दिन कर रहे हो, या कोई भी एक्टिविटी अगर आप 1 या 2 दिन करोगे, it is not going to be fruitful. So do how much you can do, but do it on regular basis. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेस मत करो बेशक से, बट जितना कर रहे हो वो रोज करना है, and try to progress in that. Okay, so it's crucial to stick to your routine and remain consistent if you want to build up your endurance for the GTO physical endeavor. Okay, it will never be like आपने एक हफ्ते अगर ट्रेनिंग कर लिया तो it will be like you are going to nail it. No, to build up strength and endurance, it takes up time. That is why it is told to you that you take at least 2-3 months prior for building up your strength. Okay, and not only for SSB, take it as a habit in your general life as well, right? It is very much necessary in today's life to be fit, and to make or to be fit, you have to have a routine for yourself, right? Now coming up to next one, that is go to gym. See, अगर आपकी रेगुलरिटी नहीं हो रही है ना, आप रोज नहीं जा पा रहे हो, आपने बहुत कोशिश कर ली बट आपसे हो रहा ही नहीं, you can join a gym. Okay, because there you will be paying the money, and you will also be having an instructor or somebody to guiding you regarding your exercise or your fitness regime. ठीक है, that will help you in becoming regular as well. Okay, so you can go to a gym at any time of day and work out every area of your body. Okay, the main benefit of working out are that they help you develop the strong body that most young people dream about, and in addition increasing your stamina. See, it will make you physically fit, it will make your appearance also good, and it will increase your confidence as well. Okay, then prefer cycling over walking, or prefer cycling or walking over motorized vehicles. ठीक है, try to avoid your 2 wheelers or 4 wheelers. Instead, start commuting by walk or by cycle. Okay, avoid utilizing motor cars and opt to commute by bicycle to improve your physical stamina. Cycling on a regular basis helps you lose abdominal fat and build stamina. Okay, so cycling is also considered to be a very good exercise for your body. So you can do cycling as well if you are not that much interested in running or other exercises. Now, very important is to maintain a healthy and a nutritious diet. See, you can do exercises on daily basis. You can work out to very high, or you can do a very intensive workout. But until and unless you will focus on a nutritious diet, it is not going to be fruitful at all. ठीक है, कोई भी फायदा नहीं होगा आपको किसी भी एक्सरसाइज का अगर आप प्रॉपर डाइट मेंटेन नहीं करोगे तो. सो इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू बिल्ड फिटनेस विदाउट प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट. ओके, consistently consume a balanced diet that includes fiber, carbohydrates, nutrients, vitamins, and other minerals. Okay, don't forget to drink the recommended amount of water while doing this. So it is very well said that you should drink a good amount of water on daily basis. If you are not able to do that, make a routine of drinking 3 to 4 liters without fail. You can keep a water bottle, or you can keep 4 water bottles filled in the morning, and you have to make sure by the end of the day you have to empty all the 4 bottles. So in this way you will be regular in drinking water, and it will also keep your metabolism and other things good. Now use your brain. See, I have told you in the very starting that this GTO task is not only about your physical strength, it's mind linked with body, or your mental capabilities working along with your physical stamina. Understanding? तो आपको अपने ब्रेन को भी ट्रेन रखना है. You have to have a very good analytical and your logical things. Okay, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to solve the puzzle. See, GTO, in GTO like PGT, HGT, these are kind of puzzles only. Okay, first you have to solve them mentally, and then only you can apply that physically and complete the task. ठीक है, तो mind का काम करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Now you will need to employ both physical and mental stamina or strength to complete various GTO tasks. Therefore, with physical preparation, one should also strengthen their cerebral faculties. Okay, So you can solve some puzzles on daily basis. Okay, you can play Sudoku, you can solve Rubik's Cube, or you can indulge in any other puzzles or something of that sort, which will train your mind as well. So next is indulge in household work. है ना? People be like, why we should do household work, right? We are already studying or we are already preparing. We don't have time whatsoever. But help your family in the household chores. Various activities such as brooming, mopping, and dusting. Indulging in such activities will definitely increase your flexibility. And also, an interviewer will be asking you what is your contribution at home. So, there also you can highlight this very good initiative of yours. Okay. So, if you're not indulging into household chores, it's high time that you start doing something or the other. Okay. Now, indulge in swimming. See, swimming, many people already know, but many people have never tried, है ना? So, एक तो swimming is a very good hobby because it keeps you physically fit and it also help you increase your stamina and flexibility. Okay. Except from that, swimming helps in toning muscles, building strength and endurance. It helps strengthen your heart and lungs while toning thighs, upper back, triceps, hamstrings, and lower legs. It helps you work and tone the chest muscles. So, overall, it is helping you in keeping your entire body fit. Along with that, while you are getting recommended and joining the academy, it is very much advisable that you know swimming beforehand because otherwise it will be very difficult for you to clear the swimming test. So वैसे भी सीखना तो है ही, तो आप अभी से ही सीख लो. You will also develop an interest. स्पोर्ट्स का स्पोर्ट्स भी हो जाएगा और फिटनेस के फिटनेस हो जाएगी. You will also enjoy it, right? So this was it for today's session. I hope you liked all these tips and you will definitely try to implement to excel in your GTO task in your SSB. Also, if you want to prepare for your SSB interview and you're having your SSB in the upcoming months, we have already launched 1 year online SSB course. Okay? So there you can enroll and definitely get benefited and get recommended in your upcoming attempt. Here we are covering all the 5-day processes, including your OIR, PPDT, psych test, GTO indoor task, your in-person interview, mock interviews also we are conducting. We are also taking your live classes and we have also provided you with the pre-recorded sessions for your better practice. We are also giving you quizzes and sample sheets for practicing for your psych and other tests as well. Okay, along with that, we are also telling you about the latest SSB trends and the personal guidance will be provided to you. All of your doubts will be solved either in class or in the groups whatsoever. Okay, along with that, we have also courses for your other written examinations, be it your NDA, CTS, AFCAT, or any other exam which is related to defense. You can definitely enroll for. And you can also apply the code Warrior10 for extra 10% discount in all the courses and test series. And rest all the very best, guys. I hope you are preparing well. Build your physical and mental stamina as well to be there in the SSB and winning it up. So all the very best. Prepare well. Get recommended soon. Bye bye. Take care. And if you have any doubts or if you have any suggestions, you can definitely put it in the comments below. Bye bye. Take care and Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.